Previously on Life as Amber Knows It.
I'm on purees now. Let me start off with that. I'm basically eating like 6 times a day, which I've never done in my entire life. Okay, so this I'm gonna eat right now, so I'm not packing that away. Hi. She wanted to say hi. I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Mentally, this is, for lack of better terms, effing with my mind, okay? Oh, da 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 da. I know it, la 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 la. Them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I showed you guys what I had for lunch today, which was just some avocado toast with a hard-boiled egg, some EBB, everything but the bagel seasoning, and it was so good. And that one little piece of bread had me, like, that was all I needed. I was perfectly satisfied. I wasn't too full. I wasn't too hungry. It was just like perfect. That was my first time trying the keto or wheat bread, which I found at Walmart. And I was like, ooh, this is good. And I'm not gonna have that all the time, but shoot, when you've been on liquids and purees for what? It's been like a month. Has it been a month? A month and a half? Oh, you best believe I was gonna have me some toasted bread, okay? But Alex and I are about to head to Aldi because I am on the soft food state. That's where I was able to eat, you know, some bread or whatever. So I was pretty excited. So we're about to head to Aldi so I can get some salmon. And I cannot wait. I've been waiting for this for so long. Now, I am unfortunately, but fortunately, going back to work starting tomorrow. So that's going to be a whole nother navigation adventure with like making sure I pack enough things and take breaks to eat and drink my water. So, I mean, I don't know how much filming I'm going to be getting in, but we'll see. We'll play it by ear. We'll fill it out. And yeah, let's go to Aldi. I don't know how much filming I'm going to get in there, but we shall see. You ready to go to Aldi? She's still sleepy. She took her nap late and then she tried to sleep for like more than an hour, which I would not allow because girl be up all night long thinking we about that life. And we ain't. Okay. See you. See you. What's that called? Salmon. Mm-hmm. What? I can't help you. You can't help me anymore? Nah, I can't help you. Okay. I can't help you anymore either. Alright, so we've been back for a little bit. I'm checking in now. So we're still in the process of potty training, right? So I had Alex's underwear on at the store. This is a weird, let me just bring it up for a second. Okay, so basically she had her underwear on. She peed as soon as I parked the car. So I guess that's progress, because she was very uncomfortable with the feeling. She was literally crying and saying, I peed. And that's why you're not getting any more sweets. Because look at you.
I need more sweets.
You definitely don't need any more sweets. So I just ended up rushing upstairs, threw her in the bathtub. She also peed in her bed earlier, so I had to take those sheets off. Now I'm gonna put some new sheets on. Oh, potty training a strong-willed child is madness. But we'll get there. We will get there. Alex. There's people downstairs. We gotta be respectful, remember? Okay. You wanna help me make the bed? Okay.
What?
Okay. Alex. Jesus, give me the strength.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents.
Thank you for helping me.
Yeah. Now I'm in.
Okay, let's look at this floor. Let's put Moana away, that baby away, Elsa away.
There's a baby here.
Let's put it away.
There's a baby here.
Okay, put her in there. Yeah, put her in. Put Moana in. Now, where does this cup go? In the sink. Okay, and where does our shopping cart go? No, it goes over here. Right there. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to give you, look at me. I'm going to give you a little bit of tablet time while I go cook, okay? But when I'm done cooking, no more iPad. Deal? When I say time's up, time's up. Pinky promise. Okay. I'll be in the kitchen, okay? Alright, so let me go ahead and quickly show you guys what we ended up getting from Aldi. Gonna be making myself like pita and sandwiches and stuff like that. So I got some provolone cheese, asparagus, 2 things of salmon. These were half off because they need to be sold within 2 days. So I'm gonna freeze one and cook one. 2 of these oven roasted turkey breast. I can't even talk, guys. I'm so tired. Okay. And then I got these cheddar cheese wraps that are lactose free, gluten free, 11 grams of protein. And if you've had VSG, you already know how important protein is. So 11 grams on just a little thing of cheese, yes, I'm here for it. So I'm thinking of like taking this, putting this inside, doing a little something like this. Yeah, I can't have lettuce yet, but you know. And then I got some pickles also to go into here. And this was something I've never seen before. I can't eat these yet, but keto crackers. These are cheddar crackers. Hopefully they're good. I don't know. They say oh so good, but we gonna see. I will keep you guys updated. They are 7 grams of protein per serving and 4 net carbs for about 9 pieces. So it's okay. Not that great, but not too bad. I also went ahead and grabbed some of these Fiber Now bars. They're kind of like the Fiber One bars, because fiber is also very important to get in to keep yourself regular. So every now and then I do like to have some of these little fiber bars, pre-VSG and now post-VSG. These are good. They are 17 carbs with 6 grams of fiber, so 11 net carbs. It's probably not that good, but this is like a sometimes treat if I have like a sweet tooth or something, you know what I'm saying? Same with this indulgent bar, 11 net carbs, but it has 10 sugar alcohols, so then you can take away at least half of those sugar alcohols, making that about 5-ish carbs, you know. And these are for Alex, crispy rice treats. They're just like the, you know, Rice Krispie treats. Rice Krispie treats. But there's no artificial flavors, preservatives, or fructose corn syrup, and they're gluten-free. So they're just a little bit better. You know, it's a compromise. And same with these mini muffins. These are just quick little snacks when we're on the go, or like I throw in my bag, because I always pack snacks for everyone to have. So this is a quick breakfast if we don't have time, or if we're just on the move. And that is everything I got. Today's Aldi trip. Now I have to cook, and it's already what time? 8:38. Shoot. Oh my god, I'm so behind schedule, off schedule. I haven't even had enough water today. I'm really freaking out about going back to work. Like, even just saying that, I'm sweating. I talked to my mom about it, and I think I'm anxious about it because last time I went back to work, it was at a high school. It was a beautiful high school, but the students were just like treacherous. Not all of them, but a lot of them. I taught there for a semester long term, and I just didn't see myself going back in the fall, so I just didn't. Now this, where I'm going to be working now, it's going to be on more of a smaller scale. I'm not going to tell you exactly where, but I will be doing some substitute teaching, and I'm going to be doing some like one-on-one aiding for children with special needs. So it'll be something different, a little more, a change of pace of things, I guess. So I'm hoping for the best. This is going to be a huge adjustment because the last time I went to work, Alex wasn't even 1 yet. And now she's 3. So I've been at home. But I think it's time for me to get back out there. Put me in the game, coach. I guess.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar, I just can't quit you now, cause I love
asparagus. Yum. Let's finally eat at almost 10 p.m.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?
It's not over yet. We've only just begun. Not much time is left. Gotta get to 51. Let's go. I know we'll have some fun.